welcome back. It's Shelby. Today we're doing another fun fall craft. This one is going to be a little bit more Thanksgiving specific. Fall really puts you in the mood for kind of reflecting. The world kind of starts getting a little bit quieter, start going more towards winter. It's dark earlier. You start focusing in on, where the warmth and the light is, and that's, inside the home with the family, with the things that really matter. So today I thought it would be fun to kind of do a focus on that. And the craft we're doing is, I've decided to call it a thankful tree. It's gonna look like a tree, and instead of leaves, I'm doing like little mini tags. And then on each one of them, I'm gonna write things I'm thankful for. So I thought this would be a cute craft, a cute idea, and I'll link everything you need down in the description if you want to do it yourself, along with my socials. And let's get right into it. Okay, so the tags that I have do come with a string, which is nice, so I'm just kind of unwinding that. I do have my tags all written out. They're all right here. Oh, I dropped some, but that's okay. Just like, there's a lot of them. So this package came with 50 tags, so that is what I decided to fill out. And at first I started with, family for one and friends for another. They're smaller tags, so you really can only write a word or two on them. But I found while I was writing them that it really made me think about the things that I am thankful for in life and trying to condense them down from, something big long that I would have to explain to one or two words. And I thought that was really cool. It helped me kind of realize the things that really matter and how many of them there are, because especially when times are bad, it's really easy to forget all the good things in life. And so I think an exercise like this is really great because it really does force you to kind of focus on the good things in life as well as the bad. It's so easy to get kind of stuck and mired in what's going wrong, especially when it's, it's dark outside and it's cold and it's been raining all day. And not that that's even a bad thing, but it does kind of drive the mood down a little bit and make you a little bit more tired and, maybe depressed a little bit. But, it's really nice, especially in the darker months and the colder months, to, just think about all the things that are great in life. So I really do like this exercise, and I think it's a good one. While I'm talking, I'm trying to unwind this massive knot I've made in the string. But once I do that, then we will be able, I thought I got it undone. I almost got it undone. Then we will be able to move on to the next phase, which is turning these tags, oh wait, did I get it? Into leaves. I got it. Awesome. Moving on to the next stage. So basically for the next stage, what I'm going to do is just take a tag, and I don't even need that part. Just poke the hole out. I only wrote on one side of them, but that's okay. And just kind of poke the hole out of everything that I've done. There are 50 of them, but yeah, just kind of take whatever you've got and make your little hole. So I'm going to do that for 50. I won't make you watch that, but we'll come back. Okay, and now that you've got your tags all poked through, just like that, then we're going to take our string and just cut, 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 cut. Probably about 4 or 5 inch sections all the way through. Not going to make you watch all of that, but then you can loop these through like this. Just tie a tiny little knot at the end. Just like that. That's what you're going for. It's like a little name tag with what you're thankful for, with just a tiny little loop. Just like that. So now I'm going to do all 50 of these to make them look like this. All right, we've got our tags here. Time to get the tree assembled. All right, so we are going to start with a vase, and I'm going to decorate that with a sticker that says blessed, because that's kind of the whole point of this. Just like that. And then next for the branches, I did cheat a little bit, so I wanted gold branches, and I have them here. I was totally going to go outside. This is weird, let me get in front of the camera. There we go. I was going to go outside and just grab branches up off the ground because it is fall and they're everywhere, and then paint them gold, but like I said, it's been raining and storming all day, and so the sticks are all wet. So I can't do that, but if you do want to do that, just grab sticks. I'll link my favorite gold paint below, which is the Krylon gold paint. But since all the sticks outside were wet, I actually just went and bought gold sticks. I know it's such a cop-out, but they're still pretty cool. And they're basically exactly what I would have made. They're sticks and they're gold, so same thing, just a little bit of cheating, but you know, whatever, it's literally the exact same result. I'll link some gold sticks below if you would also like to cheat, but if you live somewhere where sticks are abundant and on the ground and leafless, yeah, go ahead and do that. So just take your gold sticks and arrange them in a way that makes them look like a tree. So I want mine kind of angling out from each other a little bit. I did get a vase that curves, so that's going to help with the look because it's naturally going to tilt them out. Straight up and down might work better with the sticker. Whoops, hit the light fixture. There we go. Awesome. Oh, you can't even see that. There we go. Awesome. So that is my tree right there. And I'm going to start hanging my tags, just kind of like little Christmas ornaments. So just hang your little tags like leaves on a tree. This is it, guys. Alright guys, so this is it. This is my thankful tree. I'm really excited for it. I love how it turned out. I love what it represents. And I love that it's a really great reminder that I am blessed and I do have so many wonderful things in my life. It really was fun to make it and also thought-provoking. And it's not super Thanksgiving specific, so it's something that I could actually keep up all year round just to kind of remind myself that I do have many things in life to be thankful for, and I'm thankful for that. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Like I said, I'll link everything you need down in the descriptions along with my socials, and I hope to see you here soon. Bye.